Hello everybody, Ben Dibbar here again. Today is May 7th, 2020. I'm at home working on some motors. This one here I decided to get done today. The Minnesota fishing openers this weekend. And the wife and I are planning on heading out of town in the morning, going up to a buddy's cabin. We're going to stay in the camper so we can social distance proper. So anyway, I decided to tune this motor up today. This one here is a 1988 Gamefisher 9.9, made by Force. This thing is still basically just an old Chrysler 9.9. This motor was given to me about 2 weeks ago. And anyway, went through it today. It still is a points ignition, so I cleaned and adjusted the points, rebuilt the carburetor, rebuilt the fuel pump, put a new water pump impeller in it, tightened stuff up, changed the gear lube in it, put a prop on it, and the sucker runs good. So anyway, we're going to take this one up north, I think. Hey, how do this one? Let's go watch. We'll get a video